kids, it's me, Santa, and we have some chapstick. So I'm gonna start with the reddest kind. Can I put it on this one?
The red, sure.
Here, yes, try to put it on.
It's pretty bright. Are you sure you want that one?
Yes.
You want me to put it on you?
No. So kids, comment below if you want to see this
video. It's hard to do, isn't it?
That's my mom laughing. Okay, I put it on. So now, how do you think? Does it look too bright, or does it like a cereal or apple, or like a vitamin inside, or does it look like strawberry? What do you think? I'll go wash it out. But you can talk and do some stuff now.
Give us a vote for the red.